Hello everyone, my name is Mohammed Rahim. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today's topic is how can we select the Excel sheet column and row and delete the selected value by invoke VBA UiPath. So let's start what we are doing in that video. Before the process, please subscribe my channel, like my video and share, and also if you need any help regarding the UiPath and VBA, then please comment your query in comment box. So let's start. Firstly, what we are doing, we are opening UiPath Studio, and after open the UiPath Studio and just show you what we are doing. So here you can see we have a Excel file, and in that Excel file we have the column is my team list. So what we are doing, we need to delete the A2 to A7 column row value from this Excel sheet using VBA code in UiPath. So let's start. How can we do that? So simply we are just open the that file and then click new and create a new sequence and provide the name is selected row delete. Just click enter, and after that what we are doing, we are click on the activity and take a Excel application scope activity, drag and drop here and pass the Excel sheet path on here. So this is our Excel sheet, so I'm just here, then save it. After that we are take invoke VBA activity, okay, and click on here, and then we need to create a new text file to pass the code into the notebook. So I'm just passing delete range code. Open this file, okay. So we need to click on the project and click on here and then open this file, and after that we need to write the code on here. So we start from the function is first and provide the some object, and provide the object name is worksheet, close bracket, and then we write the value on here. So what we are need to write on here, we need to write to active and okay, one second, control Z. So we need to write here seats, pass the seat. What is your seat name? So my seat name is seat 1. Okay. Bracket close, dot select, okay. After that what we are doing, we are pass the range, and we need to select the ranges A2 to A7, double quotation, close the and dot select, and after that we are using selection dot entire dot delete, and the subject and the function. So I'm already at the program, like another you can see we have write the entire code. So this is our code. So I'm just delete previous code, and you can see we take the sub worksheet, that is the object, and sub is the function of this file. Just click the object, and we need to select the sheet, my sheet. We need to select the sheet 1 and delete from the A2 to A7. So just A7, Control S, close and close this Excel file. Okay, click on here and pass the click through code path again and pass the function object name and take a message box activity and type here success. What we are type on here, we type something and type on here done. Just save it and run it. You can see the process is running. Our Excel file is open and you can see it delete the selected. Just click OK. So that is the way how can we select the range and delete the selected row or column from the Excel sheet through VBA. So please subscribe my channel and like my video. Thank you everyone. Please subscribe my channel.